Don't miss your court date. What happens if you miss your court date is the judge can issue a bench warrant or failure to appear. I practiced criminal defense law in Georgia for almost 30 years. I've represented thousands of clients and helped their families as well. So today I wanted to tell you and give you some information on a little topic that a lot of people don't understand, but is extremely important. Don't miss your court date. What happens if you miss your court date is the judge can issue a bench warrant or failure to appear. Now, failure to appear doesn't sound too bad, okay? Just fail to appear. He'll probably come next time. That's not the way it works in Georgia. In Georgia, when they issue a failure to appear or a bench warrant, that is an arrest warrant for your arrest, okay? My advice is do whatever it takes to make sure you don't forget your court date. Put it in your phone, write it on your calendar, write it on your hand if you need to. Whatever you need to do, don't miss that court date, because it is so much easier if you don't miss the court date, or you have an attorney that represents you, and the attorney can tell you, hey, you need to come to court or you don't need to come to court. The attorney's taking care of it for you. We do that all the time. So you have to understand that I've seen over 30 years of practicing law here in Georgia, I have seen people get arrested on bench warrants on speeding tickets or something they thought was extremely minor, didn't think about it at all. And it happens, they get arrested at the worst time possible for them. We've had people call us that have been arrested for a bench warrant when their child was getting married and they were on the way to the. We've had it where people actually got arrested for the bench warrant when they were on their way to the hospital. They've had a family member that's passing away and they've told them to come. I mean, it's just amazing the terrible timing that occurs anytime that there's something like this bench warrant out there. You'd never get arrested when you wanted to be arrested, if you ever wanted to be arrested. I'm Attorney George McCranie. I have offices in Tifton, Valdosta, and Douglas, Georgia. If you've got a question about a bench warrant or what happens or something along those lines, or anything to do with a criminal defense case here in South Georgia, feel free to give us a call, and we'll be glad to help answer any questions that you have. Thank y'all and have a great day.